Let's try to figure out exactly what is going on with this crazy crypto market. So first you have the leader of the SHIB army, Satoshi Kusama, saying this. Thanks for chat about everything SHIB, Red Bull. Looking forward to speaking more in the future. So this is a multinational global brand, Red Bull, trying to partner up with the SHIB community. So they understand the value and the power of these massive networks. This is a very early stage industry. Multinational companies are just trying to start to figure out how to leverage them, how to network with them. They're all going to be banging down the doors of these meme assets that have huge communities, and not just the meme assets, obviously, but all these revolutionary assets we've been talking about. Red Bull gets it, SHIB gets it. They're leveraging the power of their global brand. And so there's deep underlying value in these networks. Let's look at the market leader in the crypto community, Bitcoin. You have to understand what is going on with Bitcoin because it does move markets and it does kind of lead the way, right? So if we look at this chart, this is the blue line is the Bitcoin price. The yellow line is the total Bitcoin wallet size is greater than 1 Bitcoin. So what has been happening in this recent market meltdown down to 30K? The yellow line, the whales have just been stacking sats, right? And so they've been diverging, buying, taking the panic sellers' Bitcoin off their hands and just accumulating it. And that yellow line is probably going to go nowhere but up, like it has been in its entire history, because the whales understand the future. They understand the value of this space. They understand how revolutionary it is, just like Red Bull is starting to figure it out. Let's look at some other developments in some of these revolutionary assets. So you have the Fantom Foundation announcing this. Fantom Foundation moves to launch FUSD, an over-collateralized stablecoin. Will this effort share the same fate as UST? We know UST was the stablecoin behind the Luna Foundation. They collapsed because they were not backed by anything. They were drastically under-collateralized. Well, what does Fantom want to do? They want to launch an over-collateralized stablecoin, meaning a stablecoin that is actually stable. So can you imagine how much more total value locked is going to be attracted to the Fantom ecosystem? They're already a leader with massive total value locked. Well, launching an over-collateralized stablecoin that's actually stable is going to attract so much more capital. They're going to leverage their huge communities, all the projects that are being built on the Fantom community. And so this is probably going to be a great move for Fantom. It's picking up traction. Look at what's going on with the Fantom social media engagement. Fantom has hit an alt rank of 1 out of the top 3,700 coins. Social volume, 6,600. Social engagements, 16 million. So this is generating buzz. Obviously, it's good news for Fantom. Obviously, capital is going to want to be parked in an audited and over-collateralized stablecoin. So let's move into some other groundbreaking news that just came out. Creator of Final Fantasy to invest in Animoca brands in the Sandbox. We've talked a lot about Animoca brands. They have funded the Ape Coin. They've been deep investors in the Sandbox metaverse. Well, now the creator of Final Fantasy is going to invest in Animoca brands. Final Fantasy is a hugely successful, massively popular game. So you just check out Final Fantasy if you're interested, but they want to invest in Sandbox. Can you imagine if they build out some sort of ecosystem in the Sandbox metaverse? It's going to be unbelievable. There's so much going on in this space, guys, so much more I want to get to.